All right, man. You want to run down kind of what you got going here with your fit?
It's a stock motor. For our RDX injector, it says a 5048 on it. I had a buddy of mine build the manifolds and everything for it. Had a T25, but we built, in a sense, a sidewinder. 255 pump, Flash Pro. Other than that, it's stock. Besides air ride and things like that. Motor-wise, it's all stock.
And you've got what front end on here?
It's the JDM front end from the Jazz. It's actually 6 inches shorter than the US version.
Okay. And then what'd you do with the roof up here?
It's got a 40 by 60 rag top, so it opens all the way completely up.
That's sweet. Then it's on air ride too?
Yeah, it's on air ride 15.
Heck yeah.
Big brakes, 6-piston caliper with front, no piston rear. They're all polished, 13-inch rotors.
Heck yeah. Big old brakes.
Yeah. More brakes than what it's going to take to stop the little thing.
I do like this intake manifold.
That was built by a guy in Texas.
Man, look at those door panels.
They are sweet, man.
And the seats lean forward a little bit.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Damn.
It's nice. Look at the
And
headliner.
then he's got his headliner, the roof that comes out.
Suede. Suede on
Oh, it's suede all around, yeah.
Look at the little crank. That's cool.
Heck yeah.
This is awesome. Little hot rod for sure.
97.
Oh, okay.
The center button on the airlift in the middle, where it says airlift, if you triple tap it, it'll lower it down and soften it up so
Okay.
it's not all bouncy on you.
Awesome.
Get a wall of fuel.
Yeah, it was super fat. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you made 97. You almost made 100.
Oh, nice.
Almost there.
Getting closer, huh? May come to needing the gap done too. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll see.
Got some fuel pulled out of there.
We got some fuel pulled, and yeah, we're gonna keep easing up into it and see where this thing will go.
Heck yeah.
Our first
This thing
pull was
sounds really cool.
97 horsepower, so next to see where we can go with this.
Gotta break the 100 on this one.
We can hope. Still super rich.
94.
94.
I thought you were gonna break the 100 this time.
Didn't happen. Did not happen.
You know what? There's always next time.
Eventually.
Made it farther. 176.
Closer.
176. Made it quite a bit farther.
Yep, so it makes 10 pounds of boost.
Okay.
It's real linear. Yeah, it's fuel on the front side, and then it's rich on the back still. So
Okay.
just keep plugging away at this thing, and we'll find it.
Heck yeah. I'm gonna look at the manifold. I think it's kind of a really long sidewinder thing.
Okay.
So it's gonna be kind of linear.
Okay.
So what it is like a cast manifold with a big trunk over to the sidewinder.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna be linear no matter what.
It's just gonna keep making boosts as we go.
Yep.
Okay. I fit fine.
You're a little corny on Thursdays.
I fit fine. It's corny Thursday.
Corny Thursday.
And I fit just fine in this fit.
You fit in very well.
I'm gonna fit this fist in your mouth.
Whoa.
Oh, I went there.
Damn.
I was just teasing.
True feelings come out.
My true feelings. I fit love.
That's all the way to the limiter. 196.
It shorted me.
196. But dude,
Yeah.
did you hear the limiter?
I did.
You
but
made it.
It shorted me. Yeah, we made it to the limiter.
It's better than it has been.
Yeah.
That was awesome though, right?
Yeah. This is awesome.
This is awesome. It's coming. And just like that, we went from no goal to a goal. We want to try to see if we can't break 200 horsepower and have it run real good.
Oh, 196 again.
This is awesome, right?
196 again.
Dang it.
It carried a little farther, but it didn't show more power.
Well, such is the way, I guess. Fuel looked on the money.
Never really ran before.
Yeah, I just don't know what these rods are like. I haven't taken one of these motors apart.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of fits here. The Jazz front end, did he talk about that on camera?
Yeah, he talked about that.
I think it's sick. Okay, so we're still shooting for this goal. Try to clean it up that much more. Ah, come on, baby. Let's go.
Man, that smoothed the back out. So nice.
Yeah, we made her happy, bro.
201.
That's awesome. So cool.
You like where we're landing there?
Yeah.
Right over 200? Heck yeah. Now you can enjoy it a little bit.
That's what I expected, honestly. I didn't want to try too much of that motor. It's a junkyard motor. I don't know how good
Yep.
it is.
Yep. Right on.
But the next one,
Yeah.
we get to go for some power.
Yeah.
See what it does at 20
I can't
pounds.
complain, man. I get to do stuff with my car and my son on my birthday. It's all good to go. So
There you go.
Awesome, man. Got 1 pound.
There you go. Got what you wanted.
Trim. Is this a manifold from a company, or you guys make that?
Yeah, that place made that Chaotic Customs. They built it.
It's pretty
The
awesome.
stock's upper front of it's plastic.
Do you have anything under this, or just kind of
That's
decorative?
front of the ADS.
Okay.
filter.
Just making it look a little cooler.
Yeah.
Like that'd be a great catch can spot almost, you know?
Well, I used to hang, it was a lot smaller and it hung from these three here. But now I have
Oh,
it down
okay.
inside the bumper.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
I'm ready to see it make 300, honestly. I see a path, so with some kind of rods or something, you know, I think it could definitely go. It's cool.
Just needs a little support so we know that it ain't gonna.
Yeah, that's it. A set of rods. Probably be all rods and pistons. Probably wake this thing right up. This little fit kind of matches your shirt.
Yeah.
Definitely available on pfispeed.com. But it's super cool. And it's just that one fit, man. It's really cool. Dig it. Big little roof, all the stuff he's got done.
Yeah.
What do you think of this little hot rod, Tom?
I think it's awesome.
It is kind of cool.
I was
You
gonna
got
get
the
one
jazz
of these.
emblems and stuff on it.
I was gonna get one of these instead of that little tiny car I have.
Yeah, yeah,
I should have got one.
yeah.
It's got like the old jazz front end. He said it's a lot shorter.
Yeah. Just made 200 horsepower.
I haven't seen that company in a long time.
Yeah, rag top, and he's got a little hand crank for it. It's awesome. Very cool. What a fun hot rod. Yeah, 201 horsepower.
Yep, that's a stop.
That's a lot.
That's what we said. That's a lot. This thing will be a blast to drive. Looking forward to seeing it soon. Woo!